Hi guys! So for today's video, I'll be getting ready with you guys kasi meron akong lakad and I decided na why not i-try ko yung mga products na newly released. Products that were released in the last couple of months that I'll be trying for the first time. Yung mga products na hindi ko pa nagagamit like on cam. Simple makeup lang naman tayo, nothing too complicated. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's start. First product I'll be using, you guys, is itong Get Ready With Me Cosmetics SPF BFF. This was recently launched and I attended the launch. Nagamit ko na to off-cam and sa Instagram reel. At hindi sa pagiging bias, no? Pero I really love it. I mean, I love yung finish niya. It gives you SPF 50+, PA++++ protection against UVA and UVB. Plus, marami pa siyang mga good skincare benefits. Pero honestly, yung pinakagusto ko sa kanya is yung finish niya. It really gives you a really nice sheen. Kung mahilig ka sa dewy fresh makeup, I highly recommend itong SPF BFF. Pero, since the foundation I'm going to use today is yung Lucky Beauty Angel Skin Veil, I heard that this one gives also a really nice dewy sheen finish. So, what I'm going to do is half of the face, ito, my sunscreen, half is wala. Para lang mapakita ko sa inyo. Ayan o. Ayan yung my sunscreen. Ito yung wala. Diba? Meron na siyang parang sheen. So before the foundation, I'm going to do my eyes first because I got me a new palette. And this is the Focallure Color Lasting Eyeshadow. It's a collaboration with Sanrio. Parang ang dami kong nakikita na nag-feature nito. I didn't want to buy the entire collection because personally, I'm not a Sanrio fan. So this is what the box looks like. First time ko siyang makita actually. Parang uneven. Tignan nyo. Parang may curve na hindi ko maintindihan. Ganun ba talaga? So, ito yung mga shades. And then, merong mirror dito. Swatch ko muna, guys. So, this is the swatch of the eyeshadow. I feel like you can definitely use these colors for every day and for nighttime as well. Lalo na kasi merong deep shade dito. And then ito, pwede siya pang, you know, everyday like a muted color lang on your eyelids. I'm going to use itong Get Ready With Me Radiance Tint as my eyeshadow base. I'm so sorry guys. Some of you, inuuna talaga yung base bago yung eyeshadow. But ako personally, mas panatag ang loob ko pag inuna ko yung eyeshadow. I picked up two products from BLK Cosmetics. This one, ito yung eyebrow product na gagamitin ko. This is the waterproof microblade pen. Meron siyang 4 tip. Look at that. Okay, testingin natin. Aray ka, aray ka, aray ka. Okay, so parang ganyan ang peg niya. I'm scared to use it, but andito na siya, so. At dito ako pinaka-excited kasi nakita ko yung video ni Mama Ann Klutz. She was super duper impressed with this eyeliner. This is the waterproof gel liner and I got the shade Burnt Sienna because I've been wanting to do like a red eyeliner look. Oh, ang super creamy. Like, ang bilis niyang ipahid. At isa yun sa mga sinabi ni Mama Ann sa video niya. It's so easy to use and it's like really makapit or something. Oh! I honestly don't know what look I'm gonna go for pero alam niyo naman tayo. Andun tayo sa salitang bahala na. Like I said, I don't want anything complicated. In fairness. Okay naman yung eyeshadow, okay naman yung pigment. Sige, gamitin natin yung dark shades sa outer corners. You know, the default style. I'm just going to blend the two shades. Okay, so saan ko ngayon isingit itong eyeliner? Tignan natin kung nilitaw pa rin siya. Ang hirap makita because of my false lashes. But here we go. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. Can't remember the last time I actually used like eyeliner. Pag na-foundation tayo, lilinis pa yung ilalim. But my God, hindi na ako sanay mag-eyeliner. Sa tagal kong hindi nag-eyeliner. Let me just smudge this part right here. Anyway, mapunta na tayo sa brows. Honestly, kinakabahan ako. Kinakabahan akong gamitin itong microblade pen. I'm just used to using yung eyebrow pencil for the longest time. Here goes nothing! Parang sinusuklay ko lang siya sa hairs ng eyebrow ko. Hindi ko siya like dinidikit talaga sa skin. Doing my eyebrows is not my forte. So kung hindi ka like eyebrow product enthusiast at hindi ka like nakapag-try na ng sobrang dami iba't ibang klaseng eyebrow pen, like this type of pen, medyo may hirapan kang gamitin to. Yung brows ko kasi mahaba yung hair. So, medyo balakid siya. So, I feel like this product is perfect for those who are like yung kalbo talaga. Yung kailangan talaga ng stroke na drawing. Oo. Pero hindi naman kasi like super kalbo yung eyebrows ko. It's not that thick, pero mahaba yung strands. So, tricky gamitin. Anyway, mapunta na tayo sa foundation. Like I said, I'm going to use itong Lucky Beauty Angel Veil Skin Tint. And kaya daw niyang i-withstand ang heat and humidity. Ito yung mismong product. May seal pa. So, I got the shade Chai. So, ito yung itsura ng labasan ng product. Mukha siyang gold metallic, pero plastic man siya. Magaan lang. Ooh, very runny. Ang mahirap dito, guys, hindi mo siya pwedeng itayo ng ganyan. Hindi siya tatayo. So, kailangan ibalik mo agad yung takip para malapag mo siya. So, again, ito yung may SPF BFF. Ito yung wala. Sabi dito, lightest feather provides a cloud-like filter in a refreshing, hydrating, and exquisitely blendable consistency. Hindi din nagsisettle sa fine lines and sa pores. Light to medium buildable coverage. Try ko gamitin. Fingers muna. Okay naman gamitin yung fingers. It's really soft and smooth. I'm also going to use a kabuki brush. I'm not going to use a sponge. Sayang yung product. I-absorb lang yung sponge. So, this is one layer of the foundation. Ito yung may SPF BFF. Ito yung wala. Well, obviously in person, mas may dewiness or sheen. Itong my sunscreen. So, this is one layer. It's going to even out your skin tone. Maybe I would add another layer. I don't know, guys, pero parang daming nagre-rave dito sa Angel Skin Veil. It is lightweight, that's for sure. It's smooth and silky. I'm gonna just buff it into my skin talaga. Okay, so this is 2 layers na. To be completely honest, you guys, maganda naman yung consistency niya. It is light to medium nga lang talaga. Ang ganda niya sa camera, to be completely honest. But let me bring you like really up close. Wala siyang wow factor for me. Kung meron ka mga dry patches, it will cling to your dry patches. Kasi napanood ko yung video ni Mama Anito. And she was like super duper impressed. And now that I'm using it, I'm not saying it's a bad product. I'm just saying na it's not something I haven't seen before or tried before. So I feel like this would really look good on you if maganda ang skin mo. If wala kang huge pimples, huge bumps. If well moisturized talaga yung skin mo, oh, this is going to look really good on you. But if you have textured skin, it won't make it look better. Anyway, sobrang sorry. Ang taas kasi ng expectations ko. Sobrang na-hype si Mama Ann nung tinry niya to. Maybe case-to-case basis. Some of you will actually fall in love with it. Pero for me, it's typical. Anyway, next thing I'm going to do is my blush and my contour. And I picked up 2 products from Vice Cosmetics. Ito yung kanilang bagong One and Done stick. Yung blush, I got the shade Flutter. Yung contour, I got the shade Twilight. This is what the One and Done stick looks like. Over here is the dense brush. It's super dense. And then over here is the product itself. Over here is the contour. Oh, it's super light. Oh, Twilight is... Ito pala yung blush. Wow. Okay, mag-contour muna tayo. Sige, subukan natin gamitin ang brush nila. Tingnan natin kung mag-work siya as a nose contour. Barely there, but it's something. Pero, product-wise, you guys, super creamy siya. Easy to blend. I think I'm gonna have to use a different contour stick. Now, let's go for the blush. Siyempre, try natin i-apply directly. I'm going to use my fingers dito sa kabilang side. So, this is fruity. So, for the lips, I'm quite torn actually. Meron ako ng Strokes Beauty Lab Silk Kiss Sheer Tinted Lip Oil. Yung lumang version nito, meron pa ako and I love using it like, you know, for every day. Pero meron din ako nung Easy Jelly. And guys, I feel like, sige, mag-jelly muna tayo. I'm like super duper excited to use this. This is the applicator, by the way. Pretty long doe foot applicator.
Living life day, late at night.
So, very quick recap tayo. SPF BFF, I do recommend that you get this, you try this, lalo na if you're into a dewy sheen skin. Plus, you're protected really well from the sun as long as you know you reapply as often as possible. Next, yung eyeshadow. Honestly, I like it. It's not the best eyeshadow I've tried, pero it does work. Plus, affordable lang naman siya. So, if you're looking for an eyeshadow, you know, for events, nighttime or daytime, magagamit mo itong eyeshadow na to. BLK Waterproof Gel Liner. I do also recommend this. Lalo na if you're just into like, you know, yung mga simple eyeliner. I don't recommend this if gusto mo ng yung super sharp eyeliner because the best talagang gamitin doon is yung pen, yung felt tip pen. Pero yung mga ganitong gel liners, it's good yung sa waterline. No, I forgot the term. Yung dito sa ilalim. If you want to like darken it up. Kasi minsan, parang may kulang sa eyeshadow look mo. You have the eyeliner on top and then you have the mascara or false lashes. Pero parang may kulang pa rin. And that's because nakikita yung puti nung ilalim dito. So, go get the black gel liner of this one para ma-line mo rin yung ilalim and dye. Yun talaga ang kukumpleto sa eyeshadow look mo. Pero again, this is not something for yung mga sharp line, precise shape na eyelining. Sa eyebrow products, like I said kanina, if you're like me, na gusto ng simpleng eyebrows lang, na sanay sa mga eyebrow pencil, this is not for you. Pero kung really sparse yung eyebrows mo, yung parang minsan hanggang dito lang yung eyebrows mo, or like super walang-wala, this is going to be a big help kasi makaka-drawing ka talaga ng eyebrows. The Lucky Beauty Angel Skin Veil. Honestly, maganda naman siya. Lalo na kapag ka set na siya sa face mo, nag-melt na siya into your skin. Pero coverage-wise, huwag ka masyadong umasa because it's light to medium. At pag ginawa mo pang 3 layers, it's going to look cakey na. I do recommend this if you want something na good for everyday lang. Yung pang even out lang ng skin tone and you know, pang paganda lang ng itsura ng skin mo. Pag papasok ka sa work, I do recommend this one. In totality, this is a good product. But it's not something na, you know, I haven't tried or seen before. Sinasabi ko lang yun so you can manage your expectations. Unlike me. Sobra talaga yung expectation ko kanina. So, nung nakita ko siya na sucks lang, medyo nalungkot ako ng very, very slight. Pero, maganda naman siya, guys. Don't get me wrong. Maganda siya. Pero, hindi lang siya yung parang super wow, oh my god, I can't live without this product. Alam mo yun. Next is yung Vice Cosmetics One and Done stick. I have the old version of this, yung multi-stick nila, and I love that. I love using that, you know, for everyday. This is much creamier than the old version. Yung brush dito, I appreciate na naglagay sila ng brush para doon sa mga, you know, ayaw madumihan yung fingers pa nag-a-apply ng blush or ng contour. But honestly, it's not the most useful applicator. Yeah, I'm still going to use my fingers. I'm still going to use a different brush to apply these products. Pero blendability-wise, madali siyang i-blend. Okay naman siya. What else? Yeah, yung jelly. But anyway guys, this is a finished product. That's it for today's video. Sana nag-enjoy kayo with my very quick review of products na bagong release. Not necessarily this month, but for the last couple of months that I've missed out. And please don't forget to follow me on all my social media accounts. Nag-upload ako ng mga very quick get ready with me on my Instagram and on my TikTok. But yeah, again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!